Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Before I get started on this month's challenge, I would just like to welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and subscribing. I appreciate it so much. If you're a new subscriber, please leave me a comment down below and let me know so I can go and check out your channel. Thank you everyone that has been purchasing my dewdrops. I have been having so much fun working on new colors and keeping my shop well stocked. If anyone has any special requests, you can definitely direct message me. I do have lots of other colors that have yet to be released, and if you're looking for something specific, I'm sure that I have the color that you are looking for. Thank you to everyone that entered last month's challenge, Believe in the Magic or Back to School. I have really enjoyed checking out everyone's entries, and I thank you so much for taking the time and entering into my hashtag. This month's challenge, which is September 2023, you guessed it, it is going to be Halloween. If you do not celebrate Halloween or you do not like to participate in Halloween, in lieu of a Halloween project, you can create anything with the colors purple or orange or green or black. My hashtag is meant to encourage crafting and meeting new crafty friends. It is not meant to exclude anyone. With these options, if you aren't into Halloween, you can definitely enter any project you would like using one or all of these colors. I encourage you all to join in this fun hashtag. I'm going to quickly go over the rules and then I will show you the amazing new releases. Yes, releases for this month. I'm super excited. Each month I'm going to be posting a theme and I'll show a project that I made using the theme, and we'll be showcasing the month's release of dewdrops. You do not have to mail in your project and you do not have to use dewdrops. To enter, do a VR showing your project using the theme of the month and tag me at DoubleClick Connect. Please be sure to tag me in your videos so that it notifies me that I have been tagged and I will be able to easily find your video. Please leave a comment and be a subscriber. This challenge is open all month long until the next challenge, and you can enter as often as you would like. And the prize is a bag of dewdrops, and I will draw a winner each month. This month, the prize for September 2023 is this beautiful selection of colored dewdrops. This is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older. The prize is for US only, but anyone can enter. If you do not post on YouTube, you can follow and tag me on Instagram. This is a great way to use your stash. Create any project within the theme. Meet new crafty friends by searching the hashtag DoubleClick Connect Challenge. And I encourage you all to join in this month. So this month's theme, Halloween, or any project using the colors purple, orange, green, or black. For anyone that would like to join in, even if you do not celebrate Halloween. Let's get on to this month's releases. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. I will have them listed separately in my shop, and I will also have them listed together. Here we have the traditional Halloween colors. We have the pumpkin orange. We have the like gross witchy wart green. We have the fun purple, and we do have black again. This is the same black as the Believe in the Magic black. I only release black 2 times a year. I'm okay with releasing twice. These are really hard to create. If you do not want another black, because if say you purchase Believe in the Magic and you don't use a lot of black, if you leave me a note in the Etsy to substitute this color, I have no problem doing that. This is the traditional Halloween colors, the orange, the green, the purple, and the black. I'm also going to be doing the Pasteloween, and these are amazing pastel colors. We have the pastel orange. Oops, there's a blue in there. Pastel orange, the pastel pink, the pastel green, and the pastel blue. I will tell you that these colors are very light on the projects, so they will not have as strong as a color as the solid colors will. So if you're looking for a really strong color, these pastels might not be what you would want on your projects, and I will show you what I mean. This is the project that I created for Pasteloween. These are the pinks, this is the orange, and this is the green. And what I decided to do was to match the background papers with the colors. Keep that in mind when you're making your decision if you want to purchase the Pasteloween. It is very light colors, but as you can see, they are amazing. They look beautiful on the projects. I love them so much, and I love pastel colors anyway, so these will not only be for Halloween but for other seasons. So these are great. So this is the Pastel-oween set, and this is my project. It's so super cute. I recently picked up an Amy Tan paper pad, and I loved it. Had like the black with the pastel colors, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is perfect for Halloween. This is one of the little ghosty stickers from the Target sticker bucket. This was a wooden mounted stamp that I ran through my scan and cut and just cut around it. And this cute pumpkin is from the Simply Charmed Cricut cartridge. And I think it came out so stinking cute. It's so cute. And then I just added some twine up there. So this is for Pastel-oween, and you can create Pastel-oween or traditional Halloween projects. These are the releases for this month. One will be listed as traditional, one will be listed as Pastel-oween, and then they will be listed together. They are $5 per set, $5 for this one, $5 for this one, or $10 for both. I do ship for free, and there's 25 of each color. I hope you guys will consider joining in my hashtag. Please check out my Etsy shop. It is linked down below. Come join the fun for Halloween or a project using purple, orange, green, or black. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I can't wait to see everybody's spooky cute creations. Thanks, guys. Bye.